Hello, my people. Welcome once to TV. Well, on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to withdraw your sweat token from your sweat wallet and send them to an exchange where you could sell them off. Well, for the purpose of today's video, we'll be making use of the sweat wallet and OKX exchange. The OKX exchange is one of those exchanges that support the withdrawal of sweat. Well, I'm going to be dropping a referral link for the OKX exchange. If you have not yet registered for their exchange, you do so you can sell off your sweat. It's a good exchange, by the way. Then for today's video, as you can see, I have 1087 sweat before the token generation event. Well, it means I'm eligible to sell off only 10%, of which I have even staked those 10%. So let's go into our wallet. Don't forget, if you're new to this YouTube channel, I would advise you you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for you to be notified of any update we drop. So this is it. Now, as you can see, like I told you, I already staked mine. I staked 158 of my sweat. So, but that's not why we are here. So you click on transfer. When you click on transfer, you click on send. Then it takes you to this place here. It questions for your username or your address. So let's go into our OK exchange and get our address. So this is it. So as you can see, I'm going to be dropping a referral link in the description. If you don't have an account with OK Exchange, they're one of the best. You click on asset, you click on deposit. It's loading. You click on sweat, or it's because I have sweat here. When you click on deposit, let's go over it again. You search for sweat. So as you can see, it's here. Now you select the network. The network we're going to be using is the NEAR network, okay, not the ERC20, NEAR. So you click on NEAR and you copy your wallet address, and that's it. As you can see, the minimum deposit here is 0.00001 sweat, okay, but for that of the ERC20, the minimum deposit, okay, is also the same thing, but note, we don't accept deposit from block rewards. So we'll be making use of only NEAR, and of course they are not even going to accept that of ERC20 yet. So we'll go into our sweat wallet. This is our sweat wallet. We click on transfer, you click on send. Now you paste your wallet address here and you search. You see, we found a wallet with this name, so you click continue. So for today's video, I will just click maximum, let me send everything, and the fee is 0. To prevent permanent loss of funds, double check the address, send small amount first to confirm the receipt. So confirm and transfer. You push this over to the end, sending sweat. Most times it don't used to go, most times it goes. It depends on your network strength. So if it doesn't work for you, you try again until it goes, but this is the only way you can withdraw your sweat. So it's either you use OK Exchange or you use the NEAR protocol, the NEAR exchange, either of those two. But whenever you want to withdraw, you make sure you are using the NEAR wallet address. So I don't know why it's taking time, but it's still sending. And remember, it requires 60 confirmations before it reflects on your OK exchange. So, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for you to be notified on every video we upload. Congratulations, sweat sent successfully. So as you can see, we have successfully sent our sweat to a wallet, the OK Exchange wallet. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button for you to be notified whenever we release wonderful educational videos like this. So we'll click on close. So you see our balance is 0. So when I go into the OK Exchange, it's not going to reflect immediately, because as you can see here, deposit arrival 60 confirmations, withdrawal unlock 120 confirmations. So it takes time, you understand? It takes time for it to reflect. So let me go back here and load this. Oh, you see, you have one deposit on the way. So let's click on it. Let's see. You see, last 10 transactions, sweat deposit amount 0.69, status in progress. So it's successful, and this is how you withdraw your what? Your sweat to an exchange, and you can sell it off as you like. But for me, I'm not selling any of my sweat. I'm going to keep it for a very long time, because you know, we're in a bear market. I want to see what will happen when the bull market start unfolding. Okay, so let's see. You click here. I'm just trying to show you how to swap your what? Your sweat to USDT. Or okay, good. So search for sweat. Look at it here. So I bookmark it. Good. So sweat is trading currently at $0.042 for what? A sweat. So once it arrives, this is how you sell it off. You push maximum and you sell, and that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for you to be notified of our updates. Goodbye.